bottle of chain. Same grating plate, same stain. Judge say, youth you too wild. System lock the man, cage the child. Concrete pillow, head pan stone. Man they round me, still alone. Clock can't tick, time just drag. Dreams in a corner, wrap in rag. This a life in a cell of concrete. Barefoot march cold on the floor. Here key turn and the iron them beat. But my mind bust gate, my spirit reach more in a cell of concrete. Man shall low till the heart grow raw. Chain pa me hand but my soul still free. Them can't lock off the core. Light flicker, shadow look long. Every little sound fear and screaming in the pipe, laugh in the vent. Whole place smell like rust and regret. Letter from yard, ink run tear skin. Mother still pray if you wash pain. Officer shout say keep line straight, but me hide the far past gate. This a life in a cell of concrete. Barefoot march cold on the floor. Here key turn and the iron them beat. But my mind bust gate, the spirit reach more in a cell of concrete. Man chan low till the heart grow raw. Chain pa me hand but me soul still free. Them can't lock off the core. When the siren cry me remember street. Blue light flash shoot them scatter like leaf. Me did think me run fast. Me did think me smart. Body bar catch body. It can't catch her. This a life in a cell of concrete. Barefoot march cold on the floor. Here key turn and the iron them beat. But my mind bust gate, my spirit reach more in a cell of concrete. Man chan low till the heart grow raw. Chain pa me hand but my soul still free. Them can't lock off the core.